Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to swipe to go back on any iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to the settings and then go ahead to the general and then go ahead to the software update. Make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser. Is there a swipe to go back on iPhone? Unlike Android, the iPhone doesn't have a dedicated back button, but little known gesture makes the gesture that makes that completely acceptable. In the messages, mail, and even Safari, simply swipe right from the edge of the screen to go to the previous window. The gesture even works in some third-party apps like Instagram. So like this, and you swipe, go back, or you could just go back like that, right, with your fingers up. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.